Happy birthday, Aya Faith!
Yeah, we are really thankful na dumating yung araw na to for you, Faith. I wish you na maging mabait na bata at maging happy ka and healthy every day. Lagi lang kami nandito ni Mami mo. I love you.
My truth be told, she sure knows how to make a home sweet home.
We've waited for Faith for 9 years. So, it's truly a blessing kasi with that 9 years talagang lahat yung try na naming mag-asawa. We've come to a point na doon na kami sa adoption. So, with that, talagang hindi nga kami nawala ng faith kay God.
I'm really happy na dumating ka. It's been a long while, but worth the wait na dumating ka sa amin. Yung pagdating mo sa buhay namin, really brought joy and direction in our life. So, ikaw talaga yung aming reason kung bakit kami nagpa-pursue. So, we love you.
Thank God she found me when she fell from the stars.
Hi Faith! Happy birthday! Sana lumaki ka na mabait and siyempre may takot sa iyo.
I'm flying like a feather. Oh, what a wild adventure. We stay that way together. Keeps getting better and better.
Bakit Faith yung name niya? Because dahil nga mahaba yung time na we waited for her. So, ang talagang meron na lang sa amin that time is Faith na lang talaga. So, really name her na Faith.
And yun, aside dun sa Faith, Aya Faith nga yun niya. So, sinamahan namin ng Aya means miracle. So, it's truly a miracle na binigay sa amin din si Jesus. That's why nabuo yung Aya Faith.
We stay that way together. Keeps getting better and better.
Hi Faith! Sobrang happy kami kasi now you're on your 3rd birthday. So, gaya ng dati, ang wish lang namin ni Daddy for you, maging mabait, may takot sa Diyos, and sana ma-enjoy mo yung childhood mo. So, kahit ganito na modern technology na tayo, sana ma-experience mo pa rin yung mga dapat na experience ng isang bata. So, with that, sana maging healthy ka, and we wish you everything in life. We love you, anak!
We stay that way together. Keeps getting better and better. I'm happier than ever, smiling like summer weather. We stay that way together. Keeps getting better and better. I'm flying like a feather. Oh, what a wild adventure. We stay that way together. Keeps getting better and better.
Happy birthday, Aya Faith! We love you!
And better.